Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Styles Apartments. Hey, so we are at the Alexan at the Galleria, and hey, it's important to look at the garage. So in a modern, good security building, you're gonna see a garage that looks like this. So what I'm liking about this garage is, first of all, it's really clean looking. It seems well lighted. There's also a lot of spots here. So there's guest parking that looks like it's on that side, the guest parking. There's some future resident parking over here, guest parking. So I like seeing there's, I don't know, maybe about 14, 15 guest parking spots. I also like seeing this EV station that's there. So there's an EV station. Looks like it can handle, 2 spots. So that's pretty cool to see that. And then, of course, there is the actual access point of the garage to go past this point. So that's here. What I like about this is this is the best kind of gate, basically. It's not really a gate, it's a roll up. So when a car gets close to it, it rolls up quick. And then once the car leaves, pretty quickly it rolls down quick. That's actually the best kind of access for best kind of security, in my opinion, for a garage. So this is what it looks like here, and I love seeing this. There's a point where you can just walk through there too. But this is gonna give you more privacy, more security. And also, one other thing I am seeing is there are reserve spots in here. So there's a reserve spot that you can get. The reserve spots are extra. The parking is usually included, just to get inside the gate. But the reserve parking is going to be extra. So you can have one of these spots and, always have the same parking spot. So that's extra, but that's also another really nice feature to see. Hey, if you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing, of course, send me a text. And if you want to do a live virtual tour, send me a text as well. I'll set that up for you 100% free.